Let's discuss question number 40 from test 2. This is from metallurgy. So basically manufacturing and production, manufacturing processes. So basically this is for metallurgy. So I've just combined into the manufacturing process, metallurgy and manufacturing process. So we need to find out which of the following statement is true. Let's read the question. You have hardenability refers to depth and hardness achieved by quenching. So let's write down first everything and then we'll discuss. Hardness is resistance to inundation, and then Rockwell hardness B is greater than Rockwell hardness C, and D is all the above. Okay, now hardenability is basically you have something, you drop it in a, you have a hot billet, you drop it in a quenching environment or a cold environment. The outer gets cooled first, and the outer basically there is no time for the outer layer, it gets cools first. So so basically the cooling rate is faster at the outer. Then because of the thermal conductivity, finite thermal conductivity, the heat transfer or the time, the cooling rate at the inner surface are very low. So basically at the outside you will get martensite, and the lower at inside you will get a coarser, probably a coarser, not that fine microstructure. So this variation, so there will be a variation of hardness throughout the surface. I mean, not from outer to inner, there will be a variation of the hardness caused because of the variation in cooling rate, which again comes because of the variation in heat transfer rate or the because of the conduction thermal conductivity difference. The heat transfer rate at the outer will be more than inner. The outer cools at a faster rate, and hardness is more at the outer than at the center. Hardenability basically measures that. So statement A is true. Hardness, normal hardness, which you do your test, hardness is basically the property is how much hard it is or how much resistance it will provide if you want to induct something, how much hard it is. So that is the resistance to induction. So this is also correct. And we have three types of scales: Bernal hardness, Rockwell hardness B scale, Rockwell hardness C scale. So Rockwell hardness number is generally greater than Rockwell hardness scale C. So ABC are all true. Answer is D. Thank you.